Welcome to the AdSeal video on cleaning your block paving. First of all, brush off all loose debris and clean any ingrained stains with AdSeal orange degreaser. We then suggest you apply AdSeal long-lasting weed killer approximately 1 week before cleaning. For the cleaning process, ideally use a flat surface cleaner, but if not, then you can use a lance. You need to remove about 12 millimeters, that's half an inch, of the sand jointing to get rid of any debris and weeds from the joints. But do take care not to remove more than this, or to dig in under the blocks with the jet, as either of these could de-seat the blocks permanently. Start at the house and work towards the road to avoid water lodging by the house, and work methodically to ensure even cleaning. If you are going to seal your paving, which we do recommend as it will make your paving look better and actually last longer, it is important that you seal the paving on the same day as you sand it. Allow the paving to dry completely. Now tip out part of a bag of kiln-dried sand and brush into the joints. Make sure you brush off all loose sand and that the sand is down to the bottom of the V-joints between the blocks, or it will look unsightly, particularly if you are sealing it. If you are now sealing, use AdSeal Block Paving Sealer and see the AdSeal video entitled Sealing Your Block Paving for application advice. If not, you have now finished. adseal.info for quality and value.